You are going to love the 2023 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.